Hi, this is Lisa with Genesis. I'm going to show you a feature that we recently added that will allow you to change this tab. And normally that says Life and Health. I've actually already changed it to this. So I'm going to show you where to do that. You're going to want to do this also for each location. So I'm going to go into Utilities, Agency Setup, and click on the Default tab. And right here is where you can put that custom name in. So if I wanted to copy this, what I can do to make this simple is Control-C, copy, and then go to my next agency locations. If you're a multi-location agency, hit Control-V and hit Control-V. And now that's going to change for all of your locations, and you'll be able to go into any of these and see that. So here's my Disney World. Do not want to view those. And there you go. Thanks, and let us know if you have any questions.